G'day guys, Jonathan from Aussie General Store here with another video. Today we're looking at our welding tables. They're called GC welding tables. They're manufactured by us. Today we have Tony that is putting together a welding table. You can see he's putting the inner slats. The table is actually upside down. You can use this video as a guide to put together a welding table that you've got yourself. It's pretty self-explanatory. You can see he's just hammering the sides of the table into the slots. It comes pre-fabbed, all ready to go. You've just got to clamp it together, weld it up, make sure everything's square, which it should be, and just tap it in place like he is there. There he is doing the other side. So these tables are really good if you're welding intricate things, especially with TIG welding. If you're welding together a bicycle frame or maybe a go-kart frame, whatever you've got going on, the holes on the other side allow you to use clamps and everything to make sure that you secure it in place. We sell a number of different items that you can use to secure it in place, secure your workpiece in place, and you can see Tony is getting everything in place there. So it's a good idea to have C-clamps. These are the quick C-clamps. You can see they're on a sliding mechanism there, and he's just hitting in place, and then once it's in place you can clamp it there, and there's a picture of him standing next to it, starting to zap it up. For this particular table, all we did was we just put a couple of spot welds there, tacks, that's the word I was looking for. But when you're ready, after you've tacked it in place, you might want to actually stitch weld it. You can stitch weld it with say maybe 2 or 3 centimeter welds, and it's going to hold together just nicely. So again guys, this is the upside down of the table, the underside rather. You can see that he's putting the plates there which actually hold the legs. We can supply legs to whatever desired height that you would like. You just got to let us know. I think the one that he did here was about 880 tall, but you can specify whatever you want. We can also manufacture adjustable legs to suit. How that works is it's telescoping pipe with some holes that are laser cut, and you can drop a pin into the legs with to make it a different height. Again, here we are, we're just welding everything up. It's very simple to put together. Everything slides exactly into place, and you've just got to weld everything up. And we can also weld it up for you actually. If you would like us to do that for you, we can do that at minimal cost. We can build it exactly how you see it right now, and then we can just supply the legs as optional to reduce the postage cost. So again, we can put that on a pallet and send it to wherever you want. We've got incredible freight rates, and we can work with whatever you want to do. We also have different sizes. We can put things together to make a larger table. We can also provide caster wheels. There you go. We've cut our I believe they're 50 by 50 RHS. I think they're even a 5mm wall thickness piece of steel, and we're welding it in place. It's actually a bracket that's getting welded in place, not the actual leg itself. And there it is, beautiful, Australian made. I believe it's the only Australian made welding table available now at Aussie General Store. Thanks for watching guys, appreciate it, take care.